In the top, I declare to the variable. Okay. After that, what? The while condition. While I want to start, where I want to while up to a 500. Okay. Sorry, 50. Okay. After that, it will be a started with the curly bracket open, curly bracket close. What I want to print, and I want to do the addition also. 1 will become as 2, 2 will become as a 3 using by increment operator. So this is the second way we can do that looping. And the last one, that is called our last one, do while loop. Now do while loop thing is what? Everything is the similar. Like we are just like, now let me clear that all and let me again teach. Int, after that box 1, okay, is equal to, again I want to start with the 1. Right now we are doing something. Do first. Okay, what we need to do? We need to do um, printf. Okay, after that I want to be say inside of the quotation percentage d slash n every number I want next line, and after that my box number 1. Okay, have we done that? After that we need to write over here also your box 1 plus plus. Okay, and while, when we're going to stop that, that's why we are calling as a while loop. Okay, so while, when I want to stop, I want to stop, suppose my box will be become is a less than equal to suppose I want to right now put it up to a 60, or maybe let's so suppose 80. Let's check, run. You can see it's print properly. So only the way is writing different, apart from the looping is the same. Now over here what we did, we are declaring over here variable. After that what we need to do, that we return first, and while where we return in the down. So that is exactly we have the looping conditions are present. Are you getting properly? Okay, now let me stop the video.